All right, something crazy is going on. The whole sky is lighting up. There's no thunder. Something is in the sky lighting up, making it daylight again. You can see it's nighttime on this side, but the sky is lighting up. You see it's nighttime, but over here it's daytime. And it's making a real loud humming noise. I don't know what this is, but it's definitely gonna be in the news today. Yeah, this is really, really, really weird. Yo, this is really crazy. I have no idea what's going on. It's pitch black, dark, nighttime. But this is, over there, something's glowing and making a real loud humming noise. It's humming really loud. The humming is getting very louder. Yo, I never seen nothing like this before, yo. Nothing, ever. Yo, this is definitely really bugging out, bro. What's going on? The people who live on that side are probably getting a much better view than we are. All right, I'm gonna stop the video right now, make some phone calls. Bye.